I'm now working the doors for this Seymour Secretary Bookcase. Here is a start on one of the door frames, and it has this top rail with these Gothic arches, and I used a template like this to cut those out, but first I covered the face with this diagonal veneer. This is a figured satinwood veneer, which they used, the Seymours used on this piece that's in the White House. So I've got another upper panel here that hasn't been cut. I cut out that shape, that Gothic arch shape, after placing the veneer. So these are book matched pieces, 6 pieces here, and then the template cuts out the arches. So this is how the bookcase will look with the doors, and that bookcase is on top of this secretary tambour section in the middle. So I'll go through the process of that I'm using just to glue these, and I've got the hot hide glue ready here. So the first thing, and the grain on this piece goes opposite to that one. And the first thing I do is coat the back side of the piece with this hot glue. Then I paint the section that I'm going to work. And put that down on there, and then coat the face of this piece of veneer. And there it is, and it seems to be flattening very nicely here. So let me, I think that's close, but that's, actually I need to come up. No, I've got this backwards. I need it, I had it upside down. Because here's the arch is cut out here in the middle. I need that to cover everything up there. And so I can use the veneer hammer now to squeeze out some of that glue, get that flattened. Oh, that's sticking well. Okay, so I think it's down, and I'm going to just get some of this glue off of here and put it right back into the pot. And get rid of some of this out here. So now I need to cut the line here, cut the joint. And to do that, I'm going to measure the distance from here over I know exactly what distance that is from seam to seam. Let me get the X-Acto knife. And I'll use, no I won't either. I'm going to use a scraper blade that has a burr on it. And that burr helps to hold this steady on the surface. Okay, that's cut through, and that should lift off. Okay. And I think everything is fine here. Yes. So I'm ready now to cut another piece of this satin wood on the bias. And I've got two more places to fill up here.